So it's that time of year again. Every single year, Milwaukee holds the Pipeline event. It used to be called the NPS event, but basically it's when they showcase all of their brand new tools, and creators like myself get to go up there, record stuff, do live streams, and share it with you. However, this year I just was not able to attend the event, which is kind of a bummer because I really do enjoy going to the Milwaukee Pipeline. They always have a really cool and interesting show. It's fun, and it's nice to see other people while you're up there. However, again, I just can't go this year due to unseen circumstances. However, I do have a couple new releases that I'm going to show you, and then once more of the releases are released, I will bring you another video. But let me show you what's going on with the PACKOUT. Now, if you're in a PACKOUT system, you might really like this if you're a mechanic or whatever you're doing. Let me just show you what we got here. Now, usually they send over a little bit more information with these packets. There's not that much here. This is the 366-piece Master Mechanics Hand tool set with PACKOUT, drawers, and dolly. This product is coming soon. It's not available. I might be able to attach it to the shopping bag on this video. I'll try. If not, then just look for it within the next few weeks. But this is it. There's only one picture. Let me see if I can zoom this in a little bit. All right, so this is a 366 piece, and I'm assuming that this is going to have the tools with it because it's saying 366 piece. It looks like you're going to get some wrenches, vice grips, pliers, sockets, all that good stuff. And then it looks like you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, and 12 drawers for this system. And then you're going to be able to attach other things up on top, like your radio for the PACKOUT and your mugs and all that good stuff. So you do have the rails on the side, do have the locking casters. But yeah, so for a 12 drawers and some tools to boot. So that's pretty cool. And if you're a mechanic, you might really like this. Again, I don't know the price. I'm not going to say it's going to be really cheap, but the model number is going to be 48-22-9495, 366-piece Master Mechanics hand tool set with PACKOUT and drawers. Now, the next one that I'm going to show you has a little bit more, I guess, visual with it. So there's a video and some more pictures. So let me talk to you about that real quick. All right, so I got a video here, and I can't play the sound. If you're a subscriber, you know why I can't play the sound on the Milwaukee IA video. And I got to say one other thing before I hit the play button. There's a lot of fluff in Milwaukee videos where guys are just like walking around and they're not really showing the tool that they're supposed to be promoting. It's just the one guy is just like, you'll see. I'll skip through a lot of it, but I just want to show you the rack system. And this is Eugene, and he's walking in, and he just, I mean, the video is started, and this is a PACKOUT that's been out for like 10 years. He's walking through puddles now. So we're just going to scroll through, and that his name's Eugene, by the way. And now finally you get a little bit of a glimpse of 12 seconds in, and then there's a promotion for the guy. I'm blurring all this stuff out. All your information, you're getting blurred out, Eugene. You ain't getting no free publicity on my channel. So the guy finally pulls into the site 27 seconds later, and then there's the rack system. Now this is what we're looking at. This is pretty freaking cool. It's all metal. And you're going to be able to store your stuff. So your HVAC, your tradesman, plumber, whatever you're doing out there, you're going to be able to attach this to the side of your van. And I'll show you him driving around for like a half an hour. But yeah, so he pulls it out, and there's a tray on there. I like this. I do. I like that you're able to close that up, bring that out. It's Eugene. This thing's going wrong today. So let me show you some more here. I like the rails. Opening it up. So he's looking for zip ties, putting stuff back in, closing it up. There he is again. He's looking for this, that, blah, blah, blah. Just trying to keep up. Did I rewind it? Oh, he's looking for, why do I need him looking for his tools? Why do I need this? I know he uses Milwaukee. Look, he's on top of the rail system. He's not even on the rail system. He's on something else looking for zip ties. I don't care, Eugene, that you can't find your fuses. I don't know what that is. Why do I care? Lighting's not good. It's just, look at this. Okay, so let's get to the design. So this is pretty cool. I like that you have different setups here. So it's all metal. They're fabricating it. They're putting the bolts in, and then it attaches. And it's like, I love these tools. The tools are great. Couldn't live without these tools. Best tools I ever owned. And then it attaches to the van wall. It attaches, and you're able to run those out. And now this guy's doing like 100 miles per hour. He's running from Popo. And his stuff never freaking fell off the wall. It's great. Why do I need it? Why do I need to see him opening his van, walking out of his van? Why do I need this? Just show me the stuff. Look, this isn't even the rack system. This is the PACKOUT system. It's been out for years. Like, you're zooming in. I need to see the rack system. We're back to the rack system. We're a minute 50 in this video, but I like it. You got the, the milk crates. Okay, there he is, Eugene. He's always forgetting his stuff. He's like coming back in. He's like, I forgot my zip ties. Anyway, so yeah, that's what we're looking at. A rack system. I can't. Eugene. Now Eugene's walking again. And they show him walking like the whole way. Like they can't fast forward. Eugene's got like a mile trek. Just show him walking it. And then Eugene's driving. He's like, you know what? I'm hungry. I'm going to go get a cheeseburger. And I'm going to put my Milwaukee stuff back in. I'm at the next job. And I'm going to show Eugene driving more so I can give him some free advertisement on the side of his van. But guess what? You're getting that all blurred out. Eugene ain't getting no free advertisement. But I do like this. I do like this system. So let me show you some pictures. I can't watch Eugene anymore. It's just doing the same thing. He's just driving. I'm blurring it all out, Eugene. You know what, Eugene? I might blur your face out too. How about that? All right, let's take a look at this here. So you can see you got the legs, the stand down here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 shelving areas. Customize your layout as your ultimate pack-out access. Adjustable leg height. Stack and expand. So you can stack onto this, and they have a few different things. Let's see. For use in shop walls and closed trailers. You get the point. Yeah, so here's the drawers. And a couple other boxes here. These are ones that stack up on top. So they come in different units. So you buy 1, 2, 3, 4. How many you need? You can run the whole wall on your van if you wanted to. But I think it's pretty cool. I don't know. I like this. I think they really do a good job with their pack out stuff. Except for their videos. Cracking myself up today. Anyway, yeah, I think that's it. I think it goes back to top, but it's a pack out kit. Let me see what this price is. Whew. Okay, well, you can buy the different parts here, or you can buy the whole kit. I'm just gonna rip the Band-Aid off. There you go. You can order it. You can add the cart. You can buy it right now. For this piece here, you get all of this one kit here. What do you think? You can buy other pieces here, $749. Rack drawer, $199. Pack out rack frame, $500. There you go. What do you think? Would you pay it? Love hearing that sweet feedback. It's not up to me. It's up to you. Would you spend that amount of money? I mean, if it keeps you organized, maybe. Anyway, if you like this video, check out this video right here. Back with more videos soon.